Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be answering the common question, and a very important and serious one, of are eye floaters dangerous? Now, first of all, we all on this channel have eye floaters. I have eye floaters, you have eye floaters. Now, I've had them for 2 years, some of you have had them for 4 years and 5 years, and I was even speaking to someone the other day that have had them for 12 years, right? So we've all got different times of eye floaters. So first of all, eye floaters do happen as we age. I hate to say eye floaters are a normal part of aging, because that's what the eye doctor tells you, and that's very frustrating and annoying. So yes, maybe when you're 80, of course, all of the exposure, all of the things throughout your life, it's understandable your vitreous starts liquefying and breaking down and the conjunctivitis. However, it shouldn't be happening in younger people. It shouldn't really even be happening when you're 60 or 70. Yeah, maybe 80, maybe 85. But anyway, the main topic is eye floaters are only dangerous when they're actually all of a sudden appear. So these are the things to look out for, right? These are the dangers and the risks. If you have any of these things, go straight to your eye doctor or your emergency eye doctor and seriously get help. So if you have a sudden mass of eye floaters that appear in your vision, if you have black ones, squiggly lines, if it's just a sudden amount, right? And let's say you have had eye floaters and you've only had a few, but then you suddenly get a load more, get that checked out. Another thing is, if you're getting curtains at the side of your vision, if you're getting curtains at the side of your vision and then flashes of light, if you shut your eyes and you're getting flashes of light, that's really dangerous, because what can happen is when too much of the, first of all, you get basically the vitreous humour, the vitreous gel, 99% water, saline, salt, water, natural liquid. Basically, that's why it's called like aqueous for water. And then you've got the 1%, which is the collagen fibers. That's the black stuff. Well, that's what appears black. That's the bits that appear black, but it's made up of protein and collagen. So what can happen is that 1% of collagen breaks off first. Then you've got slowly liquefying, the gel starts getting watery, and more breaks off, and then you get the PVD, which is the posterior vitreous detachment. Now, sometimes that can take place, you want to get that checked out, but then you can live with that after. It's really dangerous when your vitreous is pulling on the retina, and then there's micro tears and it starts pulling on the fibers of the retina. That is really dangerous, because if it's severe enough, it can lead to a retinal detachment, and that is some serious stuff. So make sure to look out for that. If you've got eye floaters and they're not really too big and they're not changing in appearance and there's no other symptoms of what I've just described, then it's okay, then they're not dangerous. We can obviously do things to reverse them: diet, lifestyle, supplements, and the whole protocols, the detox and the cleanses to reverse eye floaters and also prevent any more from coming. So hopefully this video was useful. Let me know in the comments below your opinions and thoughts on this video and also on the things that we've discussed. And if you're brand new, please subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.